interface. So we are noticing only that first table is our column name, which is by mistake I had taken a second row. So depending on case, you can take a call whether you want to change it to column heading. For changing, you can go ahead on your home and you click on transform data. So it will open one query editor where you can do your customization of data structure. Let me show you. Say I want to change this first row to be an column header. So I click on transform data. It will open me one more window where I do have option of changing the structure. So see, I'm having two windows with me. One is Power Desktop, Power BI Desktop. Other one is Power Query Editor. So let me work on Power Query Editor currently. So let me maximize it. I'll say I go to people, table. I'll go transform it, wearing one option, use first row as a header. You can click here, clean your data, done. So I'll say file, apply. Once you click apply, it effect of change will be available on your desktop window, Power BI desktop window. Now let me go to desktop. Now see, it has been changed. See, now it has been changed. So here, if I go in relationship, I'm getting this two tables with me. So here, if I require, I can get a relationship done. I say in both the tables, I'm having one common column, that is reason is there. So if you drag the respective columns, you will be getting this connections. And you even customize it by clicking right click, properties. So it's showing that order and peoples are having relationship on the basis of region column. This is one many to one relationship is there. If you want one to one can be there, one to many and many to many can be there. So if you are saying it's again technical terms of SQL, structure query language and all. If you are having your left side table having high number of rows as compared to left table, or sorry, right table, you can choose the cases accordingly.